Let loose the Kraken!
His name was Ray Harryhausen, and to generations of film lovers and future filmmakers, his living, breathing, genuinely performing creatures of ancient myth and legend would ignite dreams and provide the fuel for the next 3 generations of fantasy and adventure cinema. I'm Craig Jameson of GullCottage Online, and it's shameless promotion time, but not for me, A true cinema archivist, journalist, educator, and historian, Steve Vertlieb was a dear friend of Mr. Harryhausen, the two carrying on a near half-century brotherhood, beginning with 15 years of correspondence in 1966, till finally meeting in 1981, then remaining close until the cinema magician's death in May of 2013. Shortly after Mr. Harryhausen's passing, Steve penned a heartfelt, at times heart-rending, tribute to his late friend entitled From the Land Beyond Beyond, an intimate personal remembrance of Ray Harryhausen. And that written tribute has been nominated for a 2014 RONDO Hatton Classic Horror Award. Founded in 2002 by USA Today editor David Colton and illustrator Kerry Gemmell, the Rondos, named after legendary 1930s-40s genre actor favorite Rondo Hatton, annually honors the best in genre film, art, literature, television, and journalism. And yes, I'm shilling this year for Mr. Vertlieb because, hey, I love the guy. The focal point of my film, The Man Who Saved the Movies, it's been my honor to know Steve as more than a documentary subject, but as creative kin whose love of film and film history has saved so much of it for future generations. For this reason, if you too love film, I'm asking you to vote for From the Land Beyond in this year's Rondo Best Article category. Anyone can vote. Just go to the email address at the end of this spot, type your name, and From the Land Beyond Best Article. I figure if everyone watching this votes for Steve, or hell, even half or 1/3, he's bound to win. And I'd really like to see him take this one home. His lifetime of commitment to film makes him a worthy recipient. Voting ends on May 5th. Thank you.